LouAnn, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And what did you come in for today and what happened?
I had purchased a set of Oticon hearing aids from you, and they were not working properly, so I brought them back, and you discovered that one of them wasn't working, so we sent that back, and it came back today, and I was here to pick it up. And in the process, you helped me check out the coverings for the hearing aids themselves, and we put them in my ear, and any of the complaints that I had that I couldn't hear it because of the shape of my ears, you figured it out, and you checked me all out and took care of it. And then you realized that I had excess wax in my ears that I thought I was cleaning out and wasn't, to the fullest extent. So we took care of that problem, and now I can hear in my hearing aids the way I'm supposed to be able to hear from them.
Fantastic. And how was your service with Jane?
Jane was wonderful. She kept me apprised of all that was happening and called me and made sure I knew when I was supposed to come in, and double checked and took care of me that way so that I made all my appointments on time.
Fantastic. Thank you very much and look forward to seeing you again.
I hope so.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.